My name is Lindy McHutchison, and I practice at two locations in North Carolina. I practice in Durham, North Carolina, and in Pinehurst, North Carolina.
Tell us a little bit about your professional experience.
So my original specialty was OBGYN, and in 2007, one of my friends and colleagues introduced me to the treatment of venous disease. And so I switched in 2007, and I have loved being part of the vein world ever since. And I've been doing veins. That's the only thing I've done, and I don't dabble in it. It's what I do. I love it. I love taking care of the patients. I love helping them with their pain. I love helping them look better, which overall makes them feel better, and it's just become a passion for me.
Tell us about your work outside the office.
I am a workaholic. Anyone who knows me would never deny that. And there's two things that I do outside the office that are related to medicine that I just adore. One is my mission work with Honduras, and the other is with lipoedema. And I don't know if you know about lipoedema, but lipoedema is an adipose disorder in women. It affects about 1 in 10 women. And I got involved with it around 2016 when my worlds of OBGYN and venous disease sort of came colliding together. And I found lipoedema, and it's been really a passion project for me. I spend a lot of my free time learning about it, being part of it, helping educate women on it, being a part of the U.S. Consensus Committee, writing the consensus article for lipoedema. And I collaborate with Dr. Karen Herbst, one of the world leaders in that. I just want to be part of the cause and the cure of lipoedema and help the other researchers do that as well.
Why did you choose to practice at CVR specifically?
The thing about CVR is CVR really has become, in the US, one of the leaders in venous disease. They have collaborated with some physicians that have been doing veins for decades, and because they've grown with such expertise, they've been able to become a big part of the policies of the US in venous disease. They are able to do lots of research as it relates to vein treatments and vein management. And it's just empowering for me to be part of such an incredible team of experts who have the same passion that I do, who care about the patients. CVR takes a lot of the management and the administration part that's become really burdensome. They take care of that, so I can do what I love to do, and that's to take care of patients.
What is your philosophy of patient care?
That's an easy one. I'm a people person. I love people. I love talking to people, and my primary philosophy is first and foremost developing a relationship with the patient. Most of these patients actually become our friends. We go on a first name basis with them. We learn about them. We learn about their families. So I really put the patient and the patient relationship first. Along with that, of course, is we try to see how their lives are impacted by the issues with their legs, which is usually more than people realize. And by incorporating the venous aspect to it, hopefully being able to treat their veins and overall improve their quality of life and give them a good leg to stand on, and really send them off with giving them hours and hours and hours at the end of their day that they didn't have before.
What unique skills do you possess?
I think my people skills are probably the thing people talk about the most. I love learning about communication and communicating with people. I love connecting with people. So I think that probably that is the number one thing that people would say. I also am a giving person, and I'm an acts of service person. So I am always helping everybody do whatever they can to be a better them. So I think those are the two biggest things about me.
Tell us about your work in Honduras.
Oh my gosh, I love my Honduras experience. Honduras is a mission project, a medical mission project through the Hackett Hemwell Patterson Foundation. And I've been involved with it since about 2010. So I've been going for over 10 years, except for during the pandemic. I really believe that everyone should spend time giving back, and especially in their professions, it can make a difference. And in Honduras, the venous disease is pervasive throughout the country, probably because of the genetics. So it's wonderful to go down there, spend an entire week immersed in doing vein treatments with my colleagues who have the same passion for giving back that I do. And it's a wonderful experience. We can just spend a 10 or 15 minute session with these patients and truly impact their lives forever going forward. And it is a part of my life that I will do until the day I die.